7-inch long thing. This disappears in this thing's pretty smooth. Yeah, the pivot's nice. And you know, I don't like the clip on the back because it's just, nah, it's not me. But gives your fingers a place to rest without slipping for the flick. I like that. Is that a feature? Or is that something I just made up? I don't know. You make knives. You tell me. Gritr. 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 Whoa, I'm falling. How about this way? The Gritr Folding Knife. Stealth Gray. Stealth. Maybe that's the new color. Stealth Gray. Instead of it's the Stealth Folding Knife. Color Gray. I don't know. Alright, flipper tab. High density D2 steel. Black titanium blade coating. Flipper tab. Textured G10 scales. Partially serrated drop point blade. And it is way in the back. Ouch. That's sharp. Grit is defined by Merriam-Webster's dictionary as firmness of mind or spirit, unyielding courage in the face of hardship or danger. And that's the foundation of products we design and build. They're simple, functional, dependable. No matter the circumstances, no matter the mission, you can count on them every time. North Richmond Hills, Texas. Designed in the U.S. Made in China. PRC. People's Republic of China. But yeah, I can see where they're really trying to follow the rules. You know, designed in America. And it's made in China. But all we really see is the American flag. Okay. It's a step better than a lot of knives I see out there. Yeah, that's pretty nice. If I EDC'd a knife this size, I'd probably choose that one because it's a really nice knife. But that's my EDC, my Spider, Ladybug 3 Marine Edition. And I kind of like this type of a lock better than the main thingy. It's just easier for me to feel where it is. But hey, it's a nice knife. It will find a place in my home, probably out in the garage. Although, you know what? I could put it to the test. Keep it out here in the chicken coop all the time. It's summertime, it's fairly dry in there. See if it picks up smells, what the moisture does. Might do that. What do you guys think? Be back in 6 months at the end of summer? See how it's going? I need to find a lanyard for it though. Can't run around the coop naked. Alright. Who's next? Well, I could do it that way. But you open up the box, right? There it is. You don't quit, neither should your gear. And there's the knife. Wonderful. It's got a nice easy way to play out of the foam case. Your name's upside down. It should be like that. But then that's upside down. I appreciate the effort.